Okay, dear students, welcome. We are studying about chapter number 5, 15, Nature of Light. So, our topic is Electromagnetic Spectrum. What is electromagnetic spectrum? As you have read about the solar spectrum, that was the band of different colors. But it is the band of different frequencies and wavelength obtained by the oscillation of crystal quartz electrically is called electromagnetic spectrum. Now, how many types of waves are present in the spectrum? So those are, number one, radio waves. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength of a few millimeter to several meters. Number two, microwave. The electromagnetic wave having wavelength of 1 millimeter, 1 mm to 300 mm, used in radars and microwave oven. Now, number three, infrared waves. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength 10 micrometer, or you can say 10 power minus 5 micrometer. They are also called heat waves, radiated by hot bodies at temperature of 250 Kelvin. Number four, visible waves. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Human eye is most sensitive to it, such as solar waves. Their wavelength is 550 nanometer. Therefore, we cannot see towards the sun because this wavelength of frequency is very dangerous for human eyes. Number five, ultraviolet waves. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength 60 nanometer to 380 nanometer are radiated by hotter stars at 25,000 degrees centigrade. Number six, X-rays. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength of 0.01 to 1 nanometer. And last one is gamma rays. The electromagnetic waves having wavelength 10 power minus 11 meter and radiated during nuclear reaction, fission reaction or fusion reaction. Now the last topic of this chapter is greenhouse. What is greenhouse? The atmospheric layers are made up of different gases: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. and water vapors. Atmospheric layers is called greenhouse. Now, what is the effect of greenhouse? Effect of greenhouse: the layers of carbon and water vapors is transparent for visible waves and opaque for infrared waves, which are absorbed, and small amount of heat energy reaches at the surface of the earth for the survival of living organisms. It is known as greenhouse effect. Okay student, this is the end of your 15th chapter. You have to learn the wavelength of these waves and also the definition of greenhouse and its effect. Okay, thank you.